Hi, this is Ken with Ken's Perfect Jams. Today I'm going to show you how to make my balsamic vinaigrette. Once you have the basic recipe down, you can really customize it by changing out the jam flavor, the vinegar that you use, or the oil that you use. It's truly a easy, customizable recipe, just as long as you stick to the proportions that are listed within the recipe. So download a copy of the recipe. There's a link down below there, and follow along, and we'll make this vinaigrette together. To make this recipe, you can use a cruet, or you can whisk it in a bowl, or use an empty mason jar, or like me, if you have some jam that where you have just a little bit at the bottom, you can use the almost empty jam jar to make your salad dressing, which is what I'm going to do today. Today I'm going to be using, I have just a little bit of Sarah's jam left in this jar, so that's what I'll be using today. So we're going to start with balsamic vinaigrette, and we'll add that to the jar. Place the lid on and then shake it vigorously to loosen up and break up the jam that's in the jar with the vinaigrette. We're going to be doing this in stages. Vinaigrette first, and then the next thing, once you get that broken down a bit, is we're going to add Dijon mustard. I am doing this down and dirty in my kitchen today. This is not one of our usual produced videos. This is more like the jam cocktail video that I did a couple of weeks ago. So it's just a little different than what we normally do. So I have added Dijon mustard to the jar, and now shaking that up. Okay, next we're adding the spice blend. This time it's onion powder, parsley flakes, salt, and pepper. Another way you could change things up is instead of parsley, you could use marjoram or tarragon. Really, instead of onion powder, you could use garlic powder. There's so much that you could do. Okay, now that that's incorporated, I am going to add the olive oil. And we are almost done. It's that quick. 1, 2, 3. There's the olive oil. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. And there you go. That's all it takes. You have some nice, really tasty balsamic vinaigrette that features jam. So there you go. Another happy recipe from my kitchen to yours, featuring jams. Really, you could really use any jam, marmalade, preserves that you'd want in this recipe. So from my kitchen to yours, enjoy. If you like this video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell so that every Wednesday when I drop a video, it'll land in your mailbox. You'll make me a happy person and life will be good. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.